In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate engaging icebreaker questions tailored perfectly for your event. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will grant you access to ChatGPT's versatile capabilities. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the chat box. Here is where all the magic happens. Think about your event and the type of questions you want to create. You might type something like, "Give me 15 fun icebreaker questions for a corporate team building event." This will prompt ChatGPT to quickly work its magic, and it will soon present you with a list of creative suggestions to bring some energy to your gathering. But let's say you're looking for something a bit more specific. Imagine your task is to create questions for a university debate club's first meeting. You could modify your prompt with these specific details so it reads, "I need icebreaker questions for my university debate club's first meeting, a mix of serious and fun topics." By adding in these specifics, you let ChatGPT know the exact tone and context, ensuring the suggestions will resonate with your intended audience. A wonderful feature to explore is the ability to set the style or tone right within your prompt. Suppose your event requires the questions to be wholesome and suitable for all ages. You can simply add, "Keep them wholesome and family-friendly." This guidance ensures ChatGPT crafts questions that meet these criteria, aligning with the vibe you wish to create. Now, once ChatGPT has generated a list of suggestions, it's time for you to roll up your sleeves and carefully review them. You'll want to select the ones that best suit your audience's preferences and serve the purpose of your event. Consider the makeup of your group, the nature of the event, and any themes you want to highlight, as these factors can influence which questions will land best. If you find yourself wanting even more options, or if you need questions tailored to diverse groups, ChatGPT can lend a hand. Simply ask it to generate more variations or refine the suggestions for different groups. This flexibility means you can tweak and tailor the content until it perfectly matches your needs. Once you're satisfied with the final selection of icebreaker questions, the final step is to save or print the list. Having these questions handy will ensure your event kicks off smoothly and helps break down any initial awkwardness, setting the stage for meaningful interactions. There you have it. You now have the tools and know-how to create personalized, effective icebreaker questions with the help of ChatGPT. Enjoy your event and watch those connections come alive.